Okay, I'm about to go out to take video of the blizzard of 2010, and I am dressed for the part. Got my helmet on to keep nice and dry and warm, and the wind won't bother me, and here we go. And that's on. And don't know how much you can see of the snow and the blizzard. And it's only just begun. This is the first few hours of it. Here's the car parked in front of the apartment. Clouds buried, then the snow plow is going to come in and really squish it in there. Then of course the snow turns to ice, and then it'll be buried. Just like a woolly mammoth in the North Pole. Just like an astronaut, you gotta dress for the environment. That's why I have my helmet on, so the wind doesn't bother me at all. On the street. And goes the apartment. I walk down to the promenade, try to see the city skyline, but I don't think you'll be able to see the city with the snow. So I'll shut off the camera until I get down there, save batteries. Okay, we're approaching the promenade. I think my visor's starting to fog up with snow. And look, where'd the city go? It's gone. And we got water all over the camera lens. Looks like I'll wipe it off. Yeah, nice and clear. I can sort of make out the skyline, sort of. The Brooklyn Bridge. Straight ahead is where the Statue of Liberty is, standing out there, freezing her ass off right now. And this is supposed to continue until tomorrow morning. Right now it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So New York City is in deep trouble. Alright, let's get out of here. So for everybody who lives in the warm states, here's a Brooklyn cheer for you. They're expecting winds up to 50 miles an hour, so that's when the fun really starts kicking in. His first emergency vehicle. Okay, so this is a dull video. What can I say? Okay, now I'm going back in. And I'll come back out later when the wind really starts kicking in. Try to get some videos of that. One last look. I went upstairs. If you're still watching this video, it means one thing. You really have no life at all. Welcome.